Gadgets. Technology is all around us. Every day, millions of people go online to play games, listen to music, or upload videos and photos. How do you communicate with your friends? Do you text them? Do you send them an email? Can you imagine a world without technology? Mobile phones have totally changed the way people communicate. Today, it is really difficult to find a person who doesn't have one. Smartphones allow us to make calls, send text messages, and use social networking sites. We can play games with our friends online and download our favorite music. We can even use applications that let us call people and send them messages for free. Smartphones usually have a touch screen and 1 or 2 buttons. They don't have a keypad, like PCs and laptops do. Tablet PCs are similar to smartphones, but they have a bigger screen. They're thin and light, and you can easily take them with you everywhere. They're great for watching films and downloading music wherever you are. They are very popular for reading books too, although many people still prefer paper books. Another popular device for downloading and listening to music is an MP3 player. It is so small that it can fit inside your favorite jeans pocket. An MP3 player lets you store hundreds or sometimes thousands of songs. So you can make sure you never leave the house without your favorite music with you. Many teenagers also love playing games and have 1 or more games consoles. Many modern games consoles offer a unique gaming experience. This is because they can understand the player's speech and body movements. This way, gameplay becomes much more realistic. You feel like you're Luke Skywalker from Star Wars holding a lightsaber. But technology hasn't just changed the way we communicate and entertain ourselves. It has changed the way we clean our homes too. Have you ever heard of a robotic vacuum cleaner? You can program this clever device to clean your carpet and mop your floor. This is the perfect solution for people who have busy lives or who just don't like vacuum cleaning. Can you think of any other electronic devices that have made our lives easier? Do you think people could survive without technology?